Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Just kind of, usually when I start out my practice routine, I usually think of a rudiment or something that I can kind of do to embellish and work on some different motions. Today I kind of have this little, I was farting around with this a while before, and this is a kind of a common four-stroke thing. So playing it over a measure. Now, if you were to play it on the off note, that's the on the quarter note, off the quarter note. So I kind of was thinking, all right, let's make this a little more interesting. So maybe I'm just playing quarter notes for a second. So I'm kind of ending it with a little bit. It's almost like paradiddle diddle with a bass drum note tucked in. Now you can either play that as like a 7, or you can tuck that bass drum just in there with might be a 32nd note. Okay, so I'm going to add one after every 4-note grouping. So playing this on the gig all the time, but it's certainly something to use to get around the kit a little bit, work on your chops. Just have a little fun with it. So that's the basic. Kind of swinging it a little bit, so that's straightened out a little. Have fun. michaelidrums.com. Thank you again so much for the subscriptions and checking out the page. Till next time, remember, for Christmas, Unlocking Your Creative Potential is available for $39.99 as well as downloads for $12.99 of sections of the book. Check it out. You'll have a whole lot of fun with them. Kind of getting started on a whole nother series soon enough, which will be on sort of ostinato, sambas, that kind of stuff. So let's get busy with that.